Yo, DIY enthusiasts, welcome back. Today, we're turning the ESP32 cheap yellow display into a NerdMiner, a fun, wallet-friendly project for crypto and tech lovers. First, unbox your cheap yellow display and connect it to your computer using a USB cable. Then, head over to Solutions.Carenuity.com and select the NerdMiner firmware. The link for the application is in the video description. Click the Install button to install it into your ESP32 with ease. Once installed, connect to the NerdMiner access point using your smartphone to configure your credentials. Voila! Your NerdMiner is ready. A NerdMiner tracks Bitcoin stats, providing real-time updates while serving as a fun, educational project. Relevant links, including a link to the application, are attached to the video description. If you enjoyed this video, hit like and subscribe for more exciting DIY adventure hacks. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye.